Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So for this week vlog video, we basically do another challenge. Team over this practice already. That one name, walk the straight line. What name?
Walk the straight line, man.
Alright. As the title suggests, it's pretty straightforward, but a little bit of twist. We set up a little obstacle course right here, so. And what I'm going to do with the video say, walk the straight line. We basically going to put a little challenge sheet. We're going to be able to carry some water all the way up to the end and taking down this container, bring it back all the way to here, so that's the challenge. Let's bring on the video.
Oh, no.
He tried it. He tried it.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on, man. Do it, man. You can do it, man.
He tried it.
Oh, Jesus. No.
He tried it.
Yeah, I can't move it. Alright. Almost. Alright, they make it.
Rush-Dem said like the video.
Alright, now you have to go turn back now.
Oh, Jesus.
One hand.
No.
Love take show after that.
Oh!
He tried it.
Alright. We are halfway there, you must can do it. Alright. Alright, some still. Alright, they do it.
Your favorite idiot.
Go up on the ladder.
WaGwaNious.
Go up on the ladder.
Yeah,
How I could have caused this?
take down that and come down now.
Oh, my Jesus. WaGwaNious. Yeah, idiot.
Alright.
No, 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 no.
I see how much I water again.
Your favorite idiot.
Walk, man, walk.
No, 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 no.
Rush-Dem said like the video.
So alright guys, we hope you enjoy the video as much as we enjoy making that one, yeah. But before I go nowhere, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Leave a comment below. Yeah man, I will share that one here too, you know. Yeah man. Happy birthday to you. This is your day. Age is a number, so don't stop having fun. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. I know anybody I expect that one there, but yeah, I had it in last minute, so you never know. But yeah man, my father's birthday today, so I just want to give him a shout out. Happy birthday, Daddy. I appreciate you for all what you do. You know, showing up with in all of my videos them with the madness so I go on with and all of that. You know. You've been a real father from the beginning. You always been there for me. So big up yourself, old man. Big up yourself.
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Rush-Dem Vlogs.
WaGwaNious.
Rush-Dem Random Giveaway.
If you watch the video right now, you get a credit. Random Rush-Dem giveaway of 100 digital credit. I can't put it in fast enough. Number is 4 4 4 4 6 7 6 7 4 6 5 5 4. One more time. 4 4 4 4 6 7 6 7 4 6 5 5 4. And I hit that. Gonna comment below and make me know if I get it. This was 100 digital credit brought to you by Rush-Dem Vlogs. Yeah man, wanna enjoy.
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right.